Welcome to the channel. We got a new to our used bike inventory, a 2021 Trike Glide in vivid black. The infotainment system, all the bells and whistles. This thing is amazing. You saw it also, the low mileage of 147. Everything is bone stock on here. Extra clean. Traction control. Headlights, dimmers, voice recognition, cruise control, thumbsticks for the infotainment system. Quite a lot of bells and whistles. A reverse function. Lower fairing, upper fairing. Passing lights. Air cooled, oil cooled, liquid cooled. Heat shields. Wind deflectors. What else do you want to know? Big trunk space, 114 cubic inch. It's over 1800 cc's of Milwaukee power. Got a beautiful trunk here. Tour pack on the back. Have any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks so much. Give it a test ride today.